We are one, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one, came to fight us.
Hi guys, good morning. It is 9:15. It's a Saturday. I had said that I was gonna vlog yesterday, but I didn't actually vlog because I didn't have my camera. I didn't want to use my phone, so I just figured I'll just start a vlog today. Today the plan is to go to a party. I'm really not in the mood. I haven't been in the mood since yesterday, and yeah, I actually just want to sleep. I just had my breakfast. I had a bowl of porridge and some hot chocolate, and I'm just catching up on The River and The Queen and other shows that I like to watch, and then I just want to sleep. I don't know what's going on. Like, I just don't feel good. I just don't feel good. Like, you can even just see just the way I look, even the way I sound, the way I'm talking is just kind of off. But yeah, maybe I should just sleep a little bit, and then maybe I'll wake up feeling a bit better and a bit more excited to do anything. But anywho, I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog, and let's see how this weekend goes, I suppose. Yeah. Hey guys! So yeah, update from this morning. Remember this morning I was not okay, but I'm feeling much better now. Headed to the party. The theme is 90s retro. We tried. My outfit was not supposed to be what I'm wearing now. I'm just wearing this shirt. I tied a bandana. I don't know. And then I'm wearing vintage Nyana. This is in a dress.
I like the dress.
It's so cute. It's so cute.
Thanks.
And yeah, so we are headed there. We're so late. We are so late. The traffic was bad though, because the mall was full. We had an errand to run, and then yeah. But anyway, let us head there. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to be vlogging there, because obviously the space is about to end. I don't want to like invade their privacy and whatever, because not everybody wants to be on camera or on video or whatever. So we'll see. And yeah, say bye.
Bye.
Zoyithule ndaba. Andazi mina ngizoyithule ndaba. Scarlet Musk.
Huh?
Scarlet Musk.
Oh, let me see.
Is that a how much chicken in here?
Really?
Kukwana.
Oh.
Mm.
I thought what I would put that chicken
No. We're here and yeah. Alright, what's up? Oh, can I make it selfie? Okay, let's go. Hi guys, so we're on our way home now. Let me reduce the volume and we'll pause for a while. Yeah, you're fine. Oh, okay. You were fine though. Okay, you can go now. Okay, so to be like my my flashlight. So we are on our way home. It's been a lovely night. We were with friends. It was amazing. Sorry. We were, yeah, road rage. Hello.
It's a little like this.
So yeah, we had a good night. I'm going to end the video. I'm going to end this part of the vlog here and then I'll continue tomorrow. But we had an amazing night and I'm super tired. Yeah. I hope that you are currently enjoying the vlog. I know I haven't vlogged much, but you know what? It is what it is. I'm so tired. I'm extremely tired. But we had a good night, right?
Yeah, we did.
We had a good night and we'll see how tomorrow goes. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Later. Hey guys, it's actually the following day. It is Sunday. It's the end of the day actually. It is 7:30 in the evening and I just wanted to end the vlog here and kind of do like a proper outro. Nothing happened today, honestly. This morning, yeah, today was just chilling. I was just chilling. In the morning I went to buy pizza and that was pretty much all that I had. And then I've just been having coffee. It's just been a weird day, but this weekend was great. Yesterday was great. I had a really great time with my friends and yeah, it was just a beautiful day. I have nothing more to say, but yeah, I do hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. I wish that I could have vlogged a bit more, but I was kind of limited in how much content I could get because obviously like I was at someone else's house and there were people there that, you know, I don't necessarily think that, you know, they would appreciate seeing themselves on camera without their permission, so I really couldn't. But yeah, it was a really great day. It was a great night. I enjoyed it. Currently I am just chilling. I'm getting ready to just go and just take my evening bath and just kind of relax and such, and then I'm gonna call it a night. What else? I don't think there's anything else that I really wanted to say. But yeah, that was my weekend. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Comment down below, let me know what you got up to for D29. Not that I was necessarily going out because of that, but it's just kind of coincidental that the party fell on the 29th and such, so it's just kind of coincidental. But what did you get up to this weekend? And yeah, if you haven't already, please do subscribe and join this amazing family. Share this video to let people know that we are here and we hang out here every now and then. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video or vlog. Guys, road to 500. Please share and encourage your friends and family to subscribe. Let's get to 500 subscribers. Yeah. Thank you guys, I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in my next video or vlog. Peace out.